welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with Celie hair. Thank you so much, Celie hair, for sponsoring today's video. And guys, one thing about Celie hair, they will gift you, okay? They will gift you. And these are not the gifts that are just included for influencers only. If you go on the actual website and you try and order, you will see that the gifts are also part of your package. Yeah, we absolutely love that. Like, they literally, in that little bag, in that little silk bag, you literally have everything you need to lay your wig. Love that for us. The wig that we have today is a 14-inch blonde highlights 5x5 transparent HD closure wig. Amazing quality, you guys. Like, I took this wig straight out of the box and straight onto my head. When I tell you, I did not even customize it one bit. It came pre-curls like that, pre-colored, plucked hairline, and I did not see the need to bleach at this point, so I just took it out of the packaging. Didn't want to ruin the curls by washing it, and just put it straight on my head, and it turned out really great. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, please go do. It's at GraciousMing. You would have seen that throughout the entire weekend, throughout the entire my friend's birthday weekend, I wore this wig and the pictures turn out great. The vlog is coming. Do subscribe. You will see the vlog. Like, look at that hairline. Look at that. It's just giving everything that it needs to give. I used 2 layers of the Got To Be freeze spray. I felt like that would be enough for it to hold out through the entire day, through the entire weekend, and it did not disappoint. The only problem that I would say I have with Got To Be is that obviously if you've used it before, you know that it can leave those flaky white cast mark situation going on and leave your lace a little bit white. But don't worry, I will show you guys how I go about fixing that with my powder foundation.
The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them. About the girl them. About the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my city is my palace. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. But we won't waste no time. I want she and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. Who I got it right around my damn finger. I will never tell her so. Oh no no. Bring it back. We won't waste no time. I will never tell her so.
Once I was done with the install, it was time to take down the curls, and you guys, wow, the fact that they came curled like this, that I didn't have to do anything, and they lasted throughout the entire weekend. Like, I'm talking from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the curls were still there. Go to my TikTok at GraciousMing to see the whole entire weekend's reel, to see how this wig performed. Absolutely obsessed with it, obsessed with the density, obsessed with the highlights. Just look at how good I look. If you want to order this hair, the order links will be in the description, as well as any discount codes that I have for you guys. Please use the discount codes, okay? Like, use the discount codes, and I guarantee you pay less than 2,000 rands for this wig. Like, look at the lace, look at the material, look at what we're working with. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, my love, for watching. Bye.